Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial you will learn how to update your Zoom application on your PC or laptop to the most recently released version or to the latest version. For example, if you'd like to fix various performance issues with that, it is very simple guys. Launch the Zoom application on your PC or laptop, make sure that you're logged in with your account, and basically what you will need to do guys is give Zoom the command to check for the newest updates. To do that, click on your profile icon in the top right and select check for updates here. After that, Zoom will tell you if there are new updates available or not, and if that's the case, your current version will be updated to the most recently released version automatically. As you can see guys, you don't have to do anything. Wait for the download process and the installation to be finished, and after that you will be given access to the newest version of Zoom. Confirm by clicking on install here, or postpone the installation to some point later by clicking on that button here, for example an hour or tomorrow. And that's it guys, that should fix the issue. Thanks for watching and see you next time.